Begin Again is directed by the same guy who directed Once, and this movie really feels like that movie Once. And the title is very fitting for this movie, as it stars Keira Knightley and Mark Ruffalo, two people kind of down on their luck. Keira Knightley is just getting over a relationship with a really popular rock star played by Adam Levine, and she's kind of looking to just do her own things as she writes music. Mark Ruffalo has just lost his job, and he worked for a really great record label, and he's trying to find the new big thing, and also is just kind of living in this small apartment. He's a drunk, down on his luck, has no money, his car's broken down, and he sees Keira Knightley one night playing some songs, and he sees her as the next big thing. And the title is really fitting, like I said. It's called Begin Again, and both of them are looking to begin again in different paths. And together they try to, put an album together, and give it to a record label. But I really like the structure of this film. It gives background on both of the characters played by Keira Knightley and Mark Ruffalo, of where they are and what they've done and where they're going to be. I think that Keira Knightley and Mark Ruffalo had great chemistry in this movie. Keira Knightley is a singer, and he is trying to produce her music, and they make some really amazing music together. The music that they're trying to make is taking place outside, and they're trying to do this new thing, and it's very beautiful. I really love the soundtrack in this film. You got a lot of great musicians in here. I think that Keira Knightley and Mark Ruffalo had great chemistry in this movie. Keira Knightley is a singer, and he is trying to produce her music, and they make some really amazing music together. The music that they're trying to make is taking place outside, and they're trying to do this new thing, and it's very beautiful. I really love the soundtrack in this film. You got a lot of great musicians in here. You have Adam Levine in the movie. You also have CeeLo Green and Mos Def. So you have a handful of great musicians in this movie, and Adam Levine provides a few songs in here. One of them called Lost Stars, I believe, and that's a very beautiful song, and he does acoustic versions of it. So I really did like the soundtrack of this film. And sometimes the soundtrack can be the only great thing about a movie, but also this movie is beautiful. I really did love the structure of this film, like I said. I think that Mark Ruffalo and Keira Knightley gave great performances, especially Mark Ruffalo. I've never seen him like this before. He gives a very great dramatic role in here. He wants Keira Knightley to be the next big thing, but also he's dealing relationship issues with his daughter, played by Hailee Steinfeld, and his wife, and his partner, Mos Def, and he's just trying to begin again, like the title. Once again, that's fitting into there. And I just think the movie had a lot of great things going for it. It was very beautiful. The soundtrack added a lot to it. The performances were great. It was very beautiful. I think the dialogue between Keira Knightley and Mark Ruffalo was really great too. They had a lot of important things to say, and they try to understand each other a little bit more, and that provided a lot of great chemistry between them two, and a lot of great character development as they were understanding each other more and understanding the past isn't that important, and they're trying to move on. So I'm going to go ahead and give Begin Again an A. I really did like that, and I'm going to go ahead and try to get the soundtrack for this film because it was really great. So this is Justin Watches Movies with his review of Begin Again, starring Keira Knightley and Mark Ruffalo. This is Justin Watches Movies, and I'll see you later. Bye.